Good morning, all of you. Now, today, in continuation with the same English language chapter, Synthesis of Sentences, we'll have a look at how to join two or more simple sentences to form a compound sentence. All right. Now, will anyone tell me what is a compound sentence? What is a compound sentence? Yes, class 8. What is a compound sentence? All right. So, a sentence which is formed by two principal or main clauses and it is joined together by a coordinating conjunction. Now, what is a coordinating conjunction? The words like for, and, but, nor, so, yet, all right, or these are said to be coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so let's have a look at the examples given here. He came to me. Now, that is a principal clause, it is a sentence. He took me to hospital. All right. And so we have to join both the sentences using a coordinating conjunction. So the sentence would be, he came to me and took me to hospital. So here we are using the coordinating conjunction and. They have brought me up. They have given me the best education. So the main clause here is they have not only brought me up. We have used here the coordinated clause in we are here using the coordinating conjunction not only but also. So they have not only brought me up but also given me the best education. Next one, we have the use of the conjunction but. He was not there, he knows about the incident. So he was not there but he knows about the incident. He worked hard, he secured poor grades. Here we will use the conjunction yet. He worked hard, yet he secured poor grades. Okay. Work hard, you will fail. Here we'll use or. Work hard or you will fail. Okay. Next one here. Sit quietly, move out. So here we'll use either or. So either sit quietly or move out. Next one, he didn't speak to me. He didn't help me either. So here we'll use nor. He neither nor we will use here. So he neither spoke to me nor helped me. Then he was wrong. I did not support him. So here we are used therefore. He was wrong. Therefore, I did not support him. He is not well. He has applied for leave. So here we are using so. He is not well, so he has applied for leave. This is how we can form compound sentences by joining two principal or main clauses. Okay, let's try to do the exercise. Exercise H, number 1. She is a bit shy. She does things very confidently. What conjunction will we use here? Yet. We can use yet. We can use but also. But would be better. Use but. Make the sentence. What would be the sentence? All right, that is very good, correct. She is a bit shy, but she does things very confidently. All right, she is a bit shy. She is a bit shy, but she does things very confidently. But she does things very confidently. Okay, number 2. It was getting dark. The visibility was getting low. Yes, who will try? Use so. Use the conjunction so. Tell me the sentence. What would be the sentence? All right, correct. It was getting dark, so the visibility was getting low. It was getting dark. It was getting dark, comma. So the visibility. So the visibility was getting low. So the visibility was getting low. Full stop. Have you all written? Yes, class. Have you written? Okay. Next. It was raining hard. I decided to stay at home. Okay. Who will tell me this one? Okay. Correct. It was raining hard. So I decided to stay at home. It was raining hard. So I decided to stay at home. So I decided to stay at home. Okay. Number 4. My plan is no doubt ambitious. I don't have enough funds. Okay. My plan is no doubt ambitious. Mm, but I don't have. Oh, I don't have enough funds. Or we can use and also here. My plan is no doubt ambitious and I don't have enough funds. Enough funds too. That would be the correct thing. Because but I don't have enough funds. No, we don't use but here. Use and. My plan is no doubt ambitious. My plan is no doubt ambitious and I don't have enough funds. My plan is no doubt ambitious and I don't have enough funds to add to also. TOO. My plan is no doubt ambitious and I don't have enough funds to. Next. It was windy. We went rafting. Yes, it was windy. We went rafting. Yes, what would? Yes, that is correct. It was windy, yet we went rafting. It was windy, yet we went rafting. All right. Next one. God has given us everything. We should be grateful to Him. All right, correct. God has given us everything. So we should be grateful to Him. And you can write it in another way also. We should be grateful to God for He has given us everything. So both ways it would be correct. You can write the first one also. God has given us everything. So we should be grateful to Him. God has given us God has given us everything, comma. So we should be grateful, GRATE. So we should be grateful to Him. Or you can also write if you wish. We should be grateful to God for He has given us everything. All right, number 7. He is careless. He is lazy. Lazy. He is. Yes, he is. Make it more better. Use something else. Yes, someone else try. Yes, that is nice. He is not only careless but also lazy. He is not only careless but also lazy. Okay, that is good. You can go by bus, you can go by train. You can go by bus or by train. You don't have to write go again. So you can go by bus or train. You can go by bus or train. The accident was very serious. There was no casualty. But, okay, just add but. Not yet. But there was no casualty. The accident was very serious. हाँ बेटा सृष्टि. Okay. The accident was very serious. Or you can use that also, but there was no casualty, yet there was no casualty. I think both the sentences would be correct, so there is no problem. You can use either, you can use but also, or you can use yet also here. So no problem. The accident was very serious, yet there was no casualty. The accident was very serious, but there was no casualty. So both are correct. Okay. Next, number 10. I put the note in my pocket. It is not there. Yes, I put the note in my pocket. All right. Okay. Okay. Tell the full sentence, complete sentence. Okay, that is correct. I put the note in my pocket, but it is not there. I put the note in my pocket, but it is not there. Full stop. Okay, I put the note in my pocket, comma, but it is not there. Full stop. 11th. Walk quickly. You can go by train. Okay, walk quickly or go by train. Walk quickly or go by train. Walk quickly or go by train. Number 12. They bought a house. They lived there for 20 years. Okay, correct. They bought a house and lived there for 20 years. They bought a house and lived there for 20 years. Number 13. It is difficult to qualify for the national team. He has joined a coaching institute. All right, that is correct. It is difficult to qualify for the national team, so he has joined a coaching institute. That is correct. It is difficult to qualify for the national team, so he has joined a coaching institute. Full stop. Number 14. He wrote his full name. He also wrote his complete address on the form. He wrote his full name and his complete address on the form, or you can also use as well as here. He wrote his full name as well as his complete address on the form. So you can write either. You can use he wrote his full name and his complete address on the form. You can use that also. He wrote his full name and what better? Yes, Naila? Okay, it will be okay, my dear. It will become better in a while. Don't worry. Okay, he wrote his full name as well as his complete address on the form, or he wrote his full name and his complete address on the form. Okay, the last one here. You may be right, I may be right, we both can't be wrong. You may be right, I may be right, we both can't be wrong. This is a little different. So you can write either you or I am right. Either you or I am right. Either you or I am right. Full stop. Okay, so have you missed any sentence here? Second one. First. Okay, first is she is a bit shy, but she does things very confidently. First is but. Second is it was getting dark, so the visibility was getting low. First is but. Second is so. Second is so, yes. Yes, any other sentence? Fifth. Fifth is it was windy. Okay, it was windy, yet we went rafting. It was windy, yet we went rafting. Yes. Any other sentence? All right.